Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things for the first time on camera so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today, we're making the famous bakery in New York, Magnolia Bakery, their banana pudding. They published this recipe in the New York Times, so we're following along. There is a problem with this. A problem. Their recipe features not homemade pastry cream, like a real bakery would do, not some other concoction that you would spend years of baking and going to culinary school to learn. No, no, no. They're making a version that is featured in those Jell-O magazines as you check out at the supermarket. Yes, they use instant Jell-O pudding. They charge $4.95 for a little thing of banana pudding. This is wrong. This does not seem right. If you're a bakery, you should bake. Like, really bake. This is kind of like me going to the supermarket, buying a roll of the cookie dough that's in the refrigerated section, cutting that up into slices and selling those for $5 a cookie. How is this any different? It's really not. They're cheating. They are cheating. But you know what? We're gonna make it anyway, because it's super simple. Anyone who's never baked anything before in their entire lives, this is the video for you, because it features Jell-O instant pudding. No effort at all needed. Here is a song which sums up my feelings. Right now, they're probably unpackaging all the Jell-O boxes in the back so very slow, and you don't know. They're selling you a high-priced, cheap little box of Jell-O for $4.95, wrapped it up in the back for you to try. You didn't know you could survive making it at home with all your pride. Maybe next time you'll think before you buy. Let's get started because it's gonna move real quick. Sweetened condensed milk. Very cold water. Beat on low until combined. Once blended, raise to medium speed and blend for another minute. Add in your instant Jell-O. Mix until combined and there are no lumps, about 1 to 2 minutes. Transfer to a medium bowl and then we're going to refrigerate this for at least an hour or overnight. Into the fridge it goes. Time to whip your heavy cream. We are looking for stiff peaks, and that is pretty good. Standing up. The pudding mixture is nice and firm. Go ahead and add a spoonful at a time and mix on low. Slice your ripe bananas any way you like. It's time to assemble your banana pudding, so get your sliced bananas ready, get your vanilla wafers ready, and then decide what type of bowl you're going to use. Do you want to put them in like a big bowl, could be bigger than this, or do you want to put them in like little ramekins? Either is great, and you know what? You can assemble this any way you like. Have a layer of the wafers, a layer of the pudding, a layer of bananas, mix it all up, crunch it all up. The choice is yours. It's all going to be delicious. I like to start mine with a layer of the wafers on the bottom. Then I add some pudding on top. Add a few more cookies because they'll stand up now. Then I go in with bananas. Then I add a few more cookies, some more pudding, get a few more up those sides. Add some more bananas, and finish with some pudding. There is no right or wrong way here. Now like to add a little bit of decoration on top with the cookies. Just like this. Is it worth almost $5 when you could make this so easily and cheaply in your own kitchen? Let's go in for a taste. It's delicious. What's not to like? Jell-O has been making their pudding for a really long time. It is delicious, it is creamy, but you can do better. It is missing a lot of depth in the flavor because it's just Jell-O vanilla pudding and sweetened condensed milk and whipping cream. So it's very simple in its flavor composition and could be a little bit more complex. So check out the other recipes I've done making pudding and mousse, which are also very simple, but just have an extra punch of flavor. But if you want something super simple and easy, this is the way to go. Just maybe don't pay $5 for it. If I can make Magnolia Bakery's banana pudding on camera with you watching me every step of the way for the very first time, you can too, and you know you can make this for sure. Thanks for sending me this recipe challenge, appreciated. Don't forget to like, subscribe, send to your family and friends, and check me out on Instagram for so much more.